Hey brats, welcome back to the channel, and today we're trying out something I've been super excited about for a while now. Now, if you follow the podcast or if you follow the channel for a while, you know that Asterion is a company that makes virtual reality accessories, a company that's been really great to us and really cares about us. They have sent us their next thing. It is the VERTEX Illuminated headphone stand. Now, this goes outside of the VR realm because this isn't just now for VR headsets, a stand for that. This is now for all the gamers, anyone who has a headphone set that they like to use and want somewhere really nice to store it. So let's check this thing out and show you what it's like. Check this thing out carefully. You got product manual, we don't need that. This cardboard that holds it in place. This is the base of the stand. Looks almost like the same Asterion Aura base stand. Might even be able to switch them out if I like the way the colors work on this one different. So we no longer need this. We have a still micro USB cable. They haven't made the swap over to USB-C yet, which is kind of where the tech industry is trending. But it comes with its own cable, so you don't really need it to be that. But that's one thing we're seeing. 3 foot right there. One thing that has become a trend in the tech industry that you know I don't love, but I know companies are saying it's either because they're trying to reduce their carbon footprint, or if they're not saying that, it might be because they're trying to reduce their costs. A lot of them aren't sending power bricks anymore. They figure we have enough of them laying around the house. I did for a while. Now I'm starting to run out again. Luckily, something I just got came with an extra one, so let me grab that. Because you kind of need one of these to work most things these days. So let's plug this in here. Plug this in the back. We're just gonna leave that there for now because I gotta get this thing ready to go. So somehow people on Amazon with their last product were not realizing this was a protective film you had to take off, and we're like, this thing came in scratched up. I don't know how that's possible. Apparently these people aren't used to tech that comes with any protection on it. So remove the protective film from both sides. I'm gonna try really carefully, only hold it from the edges while I do this so I don't fingerprint this thing up before we even get a chance to look at it. Because as you can see, it's gonna look really nice as long as I don't get a ton of, oh no. As long as I don't get a ton of fingerprints all over it. Come on, I want you to come off in one clean piece. Don't do this to me. Tiny bit of dust on there, but no big deal. This piece just slides in just like the Asterion Aura that we reviewed before. And you'll feel it click into place in the middle. Let me find a power outlet and I'm gonna get this thing on. I'm gonna dim some of these lights in here. All right. Nice. So we got the red there. We've got yellow. We got more yellow. I'm sure there's fancy names for this. Green. So we've got the full range of colors with, it looks like a few more colors than the Asterion Aura had. Then we've got alternating. Now alternating, it's alternating fast. It's just flashing. Now we also have a slow alternating, kind of a fade in to the next color. That's my personal favorite, and that's what I'm gonna go with. And then basically, you've now got a home for your nice expensive gamer headphones. Now, unfortunately, these aren't plugged in because my PC's across the room. They'd be glowing here, but I know a lot of you out there have ones that really glow. They look crazy. You got much cooler ones than this, so keep in mind, some of them might look really crazy on here, but just this looks classy. This looks nice. It's gonna hang here. I love Asterion's products. I think they do a really great job of making things look unique and nice. These do get a little fingerprinty over time, so you got to keep that in mind. If it's something you don't want to maintain your stand and keep it clean looking, then you're going to have a hard time with this stand because it will get a little fingerprinty if you're touching on it when you're grabbing your stuff. But I think that looks really cool. I feel like the problem is now my gamer headphones look too dull in comparison. I saw Dollface, if you don't know her, she's one of the friends of the channel. She's on our podcast. She posted a picture with her customized Astros on there, and it looked really cool because they're all colorful. Mine look all plain and muted here. So let's try a couple more sets. Got a set of Riggs Plantronics headphones for PSVR. They look good on there with the white. I still feel like I need to just have something like crazy colorful here though. They've got a simple, very elegant, nice looking stand, and you can change your colors to set up with whatever you like in your RGB station. So if you want to take a picture of all your stuff in just red or orange, yellow, all these different colors, you can set it up to just have whatever color you're looking for. I think it looks really good. It's a little tall. I know that's probably because some people's headphones are bigger than others. So that way they're trying to accommodate every kind of headphones you could possibly have. Because even these ones hang a little lower and you can kind of see where it would need to be this tall. But it's definitely a little tall. It is acrylic. So obviously you're not going to want to put a ton of pressure. It's going to hang your headphones just fine, even if you have kind of heavy gamer headphones. But if someone were to push down on this, it's acrylic. It's going to snap. So keep that in mind as far as durability goes. Looks great. It's going to look really good next to my Asterion Aura stand that I have. I wonder if I can get that over here too so you can see them together. So this is like the perfect setup. Now, if you have your Asterion Aura VR headset and then you have headphones that you use either for gaming on that or even separate from that just for gaming, you put them side by side like this and it looks amazing. You got all these different color options. And this one has more color options and things than this one. I might steal this stand and put it on one of my other ones. And now you can try to sync them together. It's never going to work right. Just warning you now. You can try. They're going to run all over the place with their own different colors. But this is what you look like optimal with both of them. I think it's gorgeous. $32.99 on Amazon for this one for your headphones. $29.99 for this one for your VR headset. So definitely pretty low prices actually as far as VR stands go. They both have an extra USB port on the side. So if you have headphones that need to be charged, you'll have your thing ready to charge them here or anything else you need to charge. So they're really cool. I like Asterion. I definitely think most people probably love the idea of having a cool spot like this to put their headphones, but I don't know in theory how many people are going to go, oh, I need to have that and get it. I think definitely their VR stand will probably still be their top product, but I think this was a really cool idea to do something to make it match, and I love the fact that I'm now going to have this here. I'm going to figure out a way to put it over on my desk where I keep my main VR headset, and then have my Razer Krakens hanging off this all the time. Now they're going to look really good side by side. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, check it out there. I'm sure I'll post some pictures there of it. But yeah, this is the Asterion VERTEX. New to the Asterion family. If you're interested in it, there'll be a link in the description. Or if you want to get yourself an Aura, I'll leave a link for that as well. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I will see you in another reality.
I want to say a massive thank you to our 6 patrons now. K27, Rocket Sauce 28, Fred Nepeteba, Ege Karatosh, K Panda K, and Maddie's. Thank you so much for supporting the channel.